Oh my god.
You feel it?
It's coming. We're 70 followers away. Oh my god. Well, how's it still 996? Y'all capping. I need to know who my 1 millionth is. 1 million! Ah! Eddie!
Look at that.
We did it, Eddie! Eddie, we did it! Whoever my 1 millionth followers, I'm gonna go suck their dick. 996? Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah! Maritza watching! It's BarChemistry, baby! Superbowl Sunday is back, and today I'm gonna put y'all on to possibly the best and most interesting tasting jungle juice / punch that you can make for your party. Oh, and who am I rooting for? Not that anyone asked, but I don't know. I feel like
rooting for? Wootak?
Oh, thank you, Eddie. Thank you, Edward. Well, since somebody asked, I don't know. I don't really watch football like that. I do like to watch greatness. So, you know, Tom Brady winning would be crazy because that's Tom Brady. But I also feel like everyone around where I live hates Tom Brady's guts. So it's almost like I hate him by association. But nah, I'm not a hater of greatness. I think Tom Brady, if you go get that win, you an old ass man. That's impressive. You changed teams. Everyone thought the Patriots organization was stronger than Brady, but Brady leaves and look who's in the Super Bowl. That's true greatness right there. He like the LeBron of the NFL. But yeah, I'm rocking with Brady. Not because I like him or anything, but just because I would like to see it. Mahomes got mad years in the NFL left. It's not like I'm trying to kiss him on the mouth or something like I want to be his son or anything like that. It's nothing like that. Not at all. Fuck. That's mad sus, bro. Why would you even think about that? That's super sus. Come on, daddy. So, for today, I have an interesting ingredient for us. This is called Rocky's Milk Punch. Now, everyone hears the word milk punch and they think milk punch? What in the world? This is actually the product of a mixology technique called milk clarification. What clarifying with milk does is it removes all the color out of almost any liquid substance. Like, as you can see here, this product is completely clear, but it contains like black tea, green tea, tons of natural fruit juices, which makes you wonder, how the hell is it clear? So you heat up all of your liquid ingredients together, and then when you pour it on top of a pitcher of cold milk, the milk will immediately curdle. And if you let it sit for about an hour, it'll continue to curdle and the milk will separate all the color. You'll be left with a very clear liquid and then also just like a bunch of milk gunk at the top. Very interesting process. We're definitely gonna get into that more on this page. But my friend Eamon Rocky, he makes this himself, bottles it and produces it, and it is one of the best tasting liqueurs I've used to this day. We're also gonna use a little bit of white rum, just for the added strength. Guava and passion fruit. Boom bam! We need fresh squeezed lime juice and simple syrup and coconut milk. All right, so first things first, we're gonna start this off by dumping the entire bottle of rum into whatever you're serving it in. I'm using like, this is a salad spinner bowl, but I have nothing else that's like slightly large, so I'm gonna make it in this, you make it in whatever you got. Let's take it, vortex it. This creates a little tornado that makes it come out faster. Rockies, put in about half the bottle. Wow, I'm nice. That was exactly, I'm nice at this. The passion fruit nectar. Entire thing. Guava nectar. Also the whole thing, all up in there. And if you're an avid Starbucks drinker like myself, these flavors might sound familiar to you. And that's because this is one of the tastiest drinks that Starbucks got. The Guava Passionfruit coconut milk drink. That bussin'. When I say bussin', I mean like bussin'. Like,
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
We're gonna need about 16 ounces of lime juice. Or let's start with about 10 ounces first, and then we'll add to taste. And you want to do half of this quart of coconut milk. Notice how it's all curdly. We want to blend this up or froth it. I have a frother. Yeah, froth that baby up good. Let's do our first taste test. Tasty. A little more lime juice. And I think we're only gonna put about like a quarter of this much simple syrup. Mix that together once more. I'm going to put in large blocks of ice from when I made the crystal clear ice rather than using a bunch of little ice so that it melts slower and that the punch can be enjoyed for longer. Put this big bad boy in. For garnish, guavas. Slice your guava straight down the middle, then quarter it. Then you can cut a slit and place them on your glasses. You can toss them into the punch. So when I serve like punch or jungle juice type drinks, I like to either keep the ice out of there or use large block ice like I've done. So all you have to do is keep ice in your own cup. And when you want to add, you can add a non-watered down cocktail straight to your cock drink.
Cock drink?
Straight to your drink. Not your cock drink, that's a whole nother thing we're talking about. And voila. Tell me that's not the prettiest jungle juice you've ever seen. Let's give it a try. Oh my God, it's so good. If you don't have access to this stuff, which you know it can be hard to find because they are a small company, just use triple sec Cointreau or any other orange liqueur. So whether you want old man Brady to win or you're rooting for the young buck, what's his name? Patrick Mahomes, I know y'all gonna drink. So if you plan on making a punch, try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. Me personally, I'm not a big football watcher. I'll watch the Super Bowl if somebody invites me to a party, but like, no one invited me anywhere this year, so I guess I'm not watching it. I do like eating wings though, and all the Super Bowl foods. That's my favorite part. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this brought value. I hope we get it out in time for you to actually be able to try this for your Super Bowl party. Eddie. We'll have all the ingredients in a written article on the website as well as a TikTok made for viewing pleasure. If you haven't, join my community and my Discord. Gonna be linked down below. Follow us on our socials and make sure you subscribe here. Like, comment, turn the notification bell on because if you found value in this, and trust me, there is tons of value in this punch, then you'll definitely enjoy the rest of the content that I have planned. So we already recorded a previous YouTube video that's actually probably gonna release after this one because we're gonna rush with this one to make it for Super Bowl Sunday. But we hit a million followers on TikTok. Like, I was dead ass sitting there watching the numbers go up from 998,000 all the way to 1 million. And I just want to say I love you guys, every single one of you. All the ones that have been rocking with me since zero, since 1,000, and all the people that just showed up now. I love all of you. And because of that, and because we hit 1 million, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So make sure you're either in my community or you're following me across all my socials, because one, those will be requirements, and two, that's how you're gonna find out about the giveaway. But anyways, I really love y'all. Thank you so much for the support. As always, bar tools and merch is available in the store. We have a Valentine's Day promo running right now. Use Valentine's Day if you're a happy couple, because I want y'all to enjoy Valentine's Day, 15% off. And then for my single people, y'all matter, arguably more than the happy couples. So use code I'm single for 20% off. Cause you deserve happiness, I swear. Love you, thank you for tuning in. Edward, where are you? Where art thou, Edward? Hanging up on him. I like to either keep the ice out of there.
I do be slapping.
Indubitably. You gotta make that seem funny. Article. We'll have all.
Hey yo.